Welcome in my channel today. This is my beautiful and lovely friend Sabeen.
Hi.
We have known each other for nearly 20 years. We have come to visit her house today. Thank you so much for inviting us.
Thank you.
And Sabeen has made this very special traditional Pakistani sweet dish for us, and she's sharing her recipe with us. I hope you like it. I'm actually 100% sure you are going to love watching her cooking and sharing her recipe with us. So please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for more videos. See you later. Follow the recipe. For this sweet dish recipe, you need 1 cup of rice, 3/4 cup of sugar, 7 to 8 cloves and 8 to 10 cardamoms. The first thing you need to do is to rinse and soak your rice in water, and then dissolve the sugar in 1/2 to 3/4 cups of water. After that, you need to take 1 liter of water. You need to add 2 teaspoons of yellow food coloring in it. If you realize that the water hasn't colored enough, you can always add some more food coloring in it and let it come to a boil. This was actually a totally unplanned video, and at this point we realized that we did not have enough dry fruits. We only had raisins. So we sent our husbands to get some dry fruit. I'm so looking forward to this dessert because I haven't cooked it myself for nearly 3-4 months. Once the water is boiling, you drain off your soaked rice and then add them in the water. We actually forgot to film that part of draining the soaked rice and adding in the water because we were so busy talking, but I hope you do forgive us. So now the rice are in the water and we are going to leave them to boil for at least 3-4 minutes so that they start getting cooked. We don't want them overcooked. We just want them half cooked. You will see that my friend checks them. Checks a couple of grains of rice between her thumb and her index finger, and when she's satisfied that the rice is half cooked, she actually drains them. She drains the rice. So now the rice has been drained. We will get on with the rest of the process. So you need 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. If you have butter, that's even better. Ghee tastes lovely as well. So we have added the cloves and we only need the seeds of the cardamom. We don't need the shells, but we do need the aroma. So we open up the cardamom shells, put them in the oil. Once they infuse the oil with their flavor and aroma, we take out the shells and leave the seeds in the oil to sizzle more. And this is a beautiful sight. Watching your spices sizzle in hot oil is just so satisfying. Once you're happy with the sizzle, you add your sugar syrup in it and let it come to a boil because you don't want it too watery before adding your rice in it. So after the sugar syrup is cooked for a couple of minutes, we add the half-boiled rice in it so that they can get cooked properly and they can become sugary and sweet. And here we are adding our raisins and waiting for the cashew nuts and the almonds and the hazelnuts to arrive. We need to cook the rice for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And now you can see that the rice is cooked, it's nearly ready. We will add our dry fruits in it. But before that, we need to give it a little bit of zing. So my friend grates a little bit of lemon rind and then squeezes a teaspoon of lemon juice in the rice to give it that lovely, awesome lemony flavor. It's not as lemony as a lemon drizzle cake, but they just have a delicious, beautiful flavor. I just can't wait to try it. It smells so nice. So here you can see that we are adding boiling water in the in the nuts so that they can get soft quickly. And now we are adding our nuts, and we will cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. And here the rice is ready and we are going to try it. Can't wait. Yum, yum, yum. This is something that is always cooked on weddings, and I can't tell you how enthusiastically everybody waits for this sweet dish to arrive and be served. Now we are going to tell you how it tastes. Yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon and leave me with your comment. God bless you. Bye.